is equal to change of y ni sasa kuchukua y2 minus y1, alafu nakuja x2 minus x1. This is change in y, and at the denominator this is change in x. Baada ya kufikia hatua hiyo, basi moja kwa moja unaenda Okay, welcome again. Today we have the question of the coordinate geometry. As you can see here, the question states that if the slope of the straight line through the points 4, 6 and -2, k is 1, find the value of k. This is the question that we have been given and we are supposed to find the value of k. Kama unavyoona swali lenyewe umegewa slope, ambao slope ni 1, kama inavyostate kwamba if the slope, ikiwa slope of the straight line ambayo straight line imepita kwenye pointi mbili ambao kuna 4, -6 na hiyo -2, k. Kwa hiyo the slope which is passing through these 2 points ni 1. Kwa hiyo kuona kwamba umegewa slope lakini pia umegewa pointi mbili, utafute the value of k. Let us see the steps that can be used to find the value of k. Let us move on together. Now we are going to start our solution as usual. This is our solution now. First of all, you have to accept that we have been given 2 points which are 4, 6 and -2, k. Those are the 2 points that we are given. Not on those, but also we have been given the slope. The slope m, which is equal to 1. This letter m represents the slope of the straight line which is passing through the two given points. So first of all, we are going to make assumption. We are going to make assumption that these 2 points, the first point x, it will be termed as x1. I mean 4 will be standing as x1, lakini 6 itakuwa ni x, I mean itakuwa ni y. This is going to be y1. Tunakuja kwenye pointi ya pili, tutaassume kwamba hii pointi ya pili itakuwa ni x2, lakini hii y hapa itakuwa ni y2. Kwa maana kwamba y2 sawa na k, x2 sawa na -2, lakini y1 sawa na 6 na x1 sawa na 4. Baada ya hapo, and we know that we have been given the slope of the line which is passing through these 2 points which is 1. Baada ya hapo, tunachokifanya ni rahisi kabisa. You are going to apply the formula, which state that from the formula state that the slope can be calculated by taking the change of y divided by change of x. This is the formula. How can you get the change of y and change of x? It is very simple. It means that m is equal to change of y ni sasa kuchukua y2 minus y1, afu nakuja x2 minus x1. This is change in y, and at the denominator this is change in x. Baada ya kufikia hatua hiyo, basi moja kwa moja unaenda kusubstitute values ambazo umegewa, and we know that m tuligewa m sawa na 1. Kwa hiyo m here, this m which stand for the slope of the line, straight line passing through the given 2 points. Now m will be termed as 1. y2 we have made an assumption y2 ni sawa na k, so we are going to write k minus y1 kama inavyoonekana hapa ilikuwa sawa na 6. You are going to write 6. x2 kama inavyoonekana hapa x2 sawa na -2 minus x1 inaonekana hapa ni ngapi? x1 sawa x1 was assumed to be 4. Then up to here the equation now will become as k1 is equal to k minus 6 over -2 minus 4. This is equal to -6. This is equal to negative 6. How can we get the value of k? It means that we have to break down the fraction. How can we break down the fraction? It is very simple. Ili tuweze ku break down a fraction, tuhakikishe kwamba left hand side of the equation should be a fraction, and also right hand side of the equation also must be a fraction. And up to, from here right hand side tuna fraction, lakini left hand side hatuna fraction. Kwa tutaweka over 1 ili nayo pia iwe fraction. Baada hapo tunasema tunaenda ku cross by multiplication. It means this one will be multiplied negative 6, and also k minus 6 will be multiplied by 1. So you are going to start at this position. 1 will be multiplied by k minus 6. So you are going to write as follows. Utaandika 1. This one will be multiplied by k minus 6. This is equal to, this process is called crossing by multiplication. It means that denominator will be multiplied by numerator of the right hand side of the equation, and also denominator of the right hand side of the equation will be multiplied by the numerator of the left hand side of the equation. As you can see, this is the first multiplication. Tunakuja ya pili, itakuwa negative 6 unazidisha kwa moja. Negative 6 times 1, still you are going to get negative 6. It means negative 6 was multiplied by 1. So then let us open the bracket. Tunaanza hii k minus 6 tunazidisha na moja. K mara moja itakuwa ni k minus 6 mara moja itakuwa ni sawa. 6 mara moja itakuwa ni sawa na 6. Tunakuja upande wa pili, negative 6 uzidishe kwa moja itakuwa negative 6. Now you are going to search for the value of k. This is an equation. Up to here, this is an equation. How can you get the value of k? Value of k tutaipateje? K inaonekana iko left hand side of the equation. So you are going to combine like terms. K itatabaki peke yake huku kushoto, lakini hii namba itabidi amfuate namba mwenzie. Kwa hiyo namba 6 itamfuata mwenzie. Kulingana na sheria za mathematics tunasema kwamba when you take the number from either of the two sides, labda umetoa kushoto unaipeleka kulia, au kulia unaipeleka kushoto, na inapita kwenye equal sign, maana yake inavuka kwenye equal sign, basi hiyo namba inatakiwa ibadilike. Kama ilikuwa negative is going to be positive, if it was negative is going to be positive, if it was positive is going to be negative. Kwa hiyo negative 6 atakapokuja huku mwenye atabadilika kutoka negative atakuwa nani? Atakuwa positive. Kwa hiyo left hand side you are going to remain with k, but right hand side of the equation negative 6 will be there, but negative 6 from left hand side will be shifted to the right hand side as a positive. Then now k is equal to, up to here you will see that k is equal to 0. Negative 6 plus 6 is sawa na 0. Therefore now the value of k is equal to 0. This is our output value of k. Up to here, this is our conclusion. Now the value of k is equal to 0. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe into this channel in order to see more videos, more teachings of mathematics that will be uploaded regular per week. Thank you so much.